I've had some outstanding conversations with businesses who are looking for support in AI, which I'm really looking forward to following up on.
One of the most exciting things has been being surrounded by other innovative businesses and also potential customers.
Generally speaking, SME manufacturers, who are our main market, are unaware of what we do. So being able to get in front of as many as possible and demonstrate, talk to them is really helpful.
We've been able to identify about a dozen companies that were interested in using computer vision AI to enhance either robotic picking, parts inspection, or generally the understanding of what is occurring within a manufacturing system.
Digital manufacturing can improve the gain of the control of your factory, give you visibility of what you are doing, and that's the only way to then get the right decision.
AST has developed a number of these technologies, took them into sort of laboratory digitalization. So it then leads to a whole source of opportunities.
So we can tap in all the traditional manufacturers and put them in modernized, doing smart factories and smart distribution and improve the supply chain, make more efficient.
So KTN helped us to connect with relevant people, especially with the sectors we are interested in, but also helped us to be here in the Innovation Alley.